In today's session, we will delve into crucial distinctions between quantitative and qualitative analyses, which serve as the bedrock of empirical research and data-driven decision-making. We will begin with the objectives of this session, outlining the importance of differentiating between these two methodologies and their unique contributions to research. We will provide an overview of both quantitative and qualitative analyses, emphasizing the statistical foundations of quantitative methods and the interpretative nature of qualitative approaches. Furthermore, we will discuss best practices for presenting research data to ensure clarity and impact. The types of data analysis can be broadly categorized into quantitative and qualitative, each possessing its own definitions and methodologies. Quantitative data is inherently numerical, affording researchers the ability to apply statistical techniques to identify patterns, make inferences, and validate hypotheses. In contrast, qualitative data functions in a more narrative form, aiming to analyze contextual information and deriving insights from interviews, surveys, and observations. The fundamental differences between these two analytical methods illustrate their unique applications in various research avenues, with quantitative analysis leading to statistical validation and qualitative analysis fostering depth of understanding. In this segment, we will examine the core principles of quantitative analysis, with particular focus on the measures of central tendency, which provide a snapshot of data through values like mean, median, and mode. Understanding these metrics is crucial, as they allow researchers to describe a dataset succinctly. We will also explore measures of dispersion, which highlight how data varies around the central value, offering significant insights into consistency and reliability of findings. Lastly, we will touch on group data analysis, a method for organizing and summarizing vast amounts of information into coherent structures that facilitate deeper insights. The incorporation of statistical tools is vital for conducting thorough quantitative analysis. In this section, we will highlight the capabilities of Excel as a comprehensive statistical tool, facilitating calculations and enabling sophisticated data visualization. We will then illustrate how to execute accurate total and mean calculations, which are instrumental when discussing trends and averages in datasets. Lastly, we will cover techniques for counting respondents by category, which enhances the precision of analysis and helps identify important patterns that may otherwise go unnoticed. Next, we delve into regression and correlation analysis, which play crucial roles in the inferential statistics domain. We will discuss various inferential analysis techniques that allow researchers to extrapolate findings and predict outcomes based on sample datasets. Furthermore, we will define correlation and regression in detail. Correlation assesses the strength of a relationship between variables, while regression offers predictive insights. Finally, we will explore how to interpret correlation values effectively to gauge the nature of relationships, empowering researchers to better understand and argue their hypotheses. Shifting our focus, we will now explore qualitative analysis, which captures the essence of human experiences through narrative and subjective interpretation. We will define what qualitative analysis entails and emphasize the prominence of thematic analysis as a foundational method for sifting through qualitative data to extract significant themes. Furthermore, we will attentively discuss the inherent strengths of qualitative analysis in providing rich, nuanced insights, while also acknowledging the challenges it presents, such as the potential for subjective bias and the difficulty of generalizing findings across broader contexts. In the thematic analysis process, 3 key phases guide qualitative researchers in deriving meaningful insights from their data. First, we focus on familiarizing oneself with the data, which is essential for contextual understanding and building an analytical foundation. Next, the process of coding and generating themes enables researchers to label and organize data segments, allowing for the identification of significant patterns. Finally, we will discuss the critical phase of reviewing and refining these themes to ensure they accurately encapsulate the dataset's essence and provide clarity and coherence for subsequent analysis. As we wrap up this session, we will emphasize the importance of combining both quantitative and qualitative analyses, underscoring how this integrative approach deepens our insights and enhances the reliability of research outcomes. We will reflect upon the value of both methods, recognizing their complementary strengths. Finally, this concluding segment will open the floor for any questions or discussions, fostering a collaborative environment to further explore the concepts we've covered today.